Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm back with this website here. It's called Film Supply, and it's a reputable online platform that specializes in providing high quality stock footage for creative projects. They offer a curated collection of cinematic footage captured by talented filmmaker, providing a range of visually stunning options to enhance storytelling. So to get started with the website, simply head on over to Film Supply, choose the official site, license premium cinematic stockage or stock footage. So this is the homepage or the interface of the Film Supply. To create an account, you need just to fill this information here or click here and start filling the information. Or if you have already a member, you need just to log in from this one here. So we'll come back to this page later to talk a little about it, and now let me show you how to create the account for the first time. And to do that, you need just to go to the first and the last name, the email address, password, and we have these two questions here that we need to answer. It's very obligatory. Which best describe you? What type of business are you in? Are you an advertising marketing agency or production company, post-production company, freelance brand, and more choices? Okay, I will choose freelance. What is your primary role? Are you a producer, director, editor, creative director, or footage researcher, cinematographer, and more choices? You need just to choose your primary role and start browsing. So now the account was updated successfully. This is like you see here. You will find your account with all the settings, the account, the project, the license, and to log out. And here, just if you want the interface be on light or dark. And here the cinematic stock footage. The Film Supply offers a curated collection of cinematic stock footage that is carefully selected for its high production value and artistic quality. The footage covers various genres, styles, and subjects, allowing filmmakers, video products or producers, and creatives to find visuals that link with their project needs. And let me tell you something about the quality is very premium. So the Film Supply prioritize, example, let's use this one, prioritize the highest quality standard in their stock footage. The footage is captured using professional grade equipment, employing advanced cinematography techniques to deliver stunning visual with exceptional clarity, composition, and producing value. Like you see here, it's very premium quality. And we have also, if you want to make it log, the props 420 HD, and we have these two choices here, other choices. This one is the highest res, and for the HD here, and to add it to your cart to buy it later, you need just to click on add to cart and start full the information about your payment card and payment method. That means the card number that it contains 16 numbers you will find in front of the card, expiration date, the month and year, and the CVC code or the CVV code. It's contained with 3 last numbers behind the card. The collection, you will find it just here to choose what you want from the collection. Popular, season, themes, and if you don't find what you have specifically in your head, you can just search it, because the Film Supply, like all this kind of websites, provides to us search and discovery. It offers user-friendly search interface that allows users to quickly find relevant footage. The platform includes advanced search filters such as keywords, aspects ratio, frame rate, and more, enabling users to narrow down their search and discover footage that specially matches their project's vision. And like you see here, this is a small video. Also, you can call it the customizable clips. The Film Supply understand the importance of flexibility in creative projects. They provide customizable clips, allowing users to trim, edit, and color grade the footage to seamlessly integrate it into their production and maintain a consistent visual style. This clips here, it's 7 minutes. And also there is a very important thing that it's gonna help you a lot if you find any issue or any problems, is the support. The customer support. The Film Supply offer responsive customer support to assist users with any inquiries or issue. Their support team is available to provide guidance on licensing, answer questions about the footage, and other technical assistance. So here you will just put your footage that would you like they to find, and the mobile phone to they contact you, and the submit. So this will be our video today. I hope you get understand. If you like this kind of videos, please subscribe and follow me to see more videos like these. So like usual, my guys, let me tell you bye bye to the next video and the next website.